Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 111 cube plus 666 cube plus 888 cube is equals to n cube and we have to find the value of n. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 111 cube plus 666 cube we can write it as 6 times 111 whole cube. Similarly, 8 times 111 cube is equals to n cube. So according to exponent rule, x times y whole power n, we can write it as x power n times y power n. So 111 cube plus 6 cube times 111 cube plus 8 cube times 111 cube is equals to n cube. So now I can take 111 cube as common. So 1 plus 6 cube plus 8 cube is equals to n cube. So 111 cube times 1 plus 6 cube is 216 and 8 cube is 512 is equals to n cube. So when we add all these terms, it gives us 729. And we know that 729 is the cube of 9. So 9 cube n cube. Again, I'm going to use this identity. So we can write it as 9 times 111 whole cube is equals to n cube. Now, if we compare both sides, the cube we can eliminate. So the value of n is 9 times 111, which is equals to 999. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.